Today I'm going to show you guys how to use variable sweep. It's a very nice feature for odd profiles like this, where we're going to do a bread knife handle, as you can see. Very cool, and yeah, almost any shape that you can do. Very interesting. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. So we're going to start with exactly the same thing we always start with, which is a sketch. We are going to select the plane. That plane. Sketch. Okay. We are going to draw our trajectory, whatever it may be. So that one's going to be 500. Okay, we are going to do center lines on the edges there. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to draw our profile. I'll show you now. This, like this, like this, like this, and like that. Okay, we are going to make sure that these are the same distance away. So we're going to make that 80, and we're going to make this one 80 as well. You'll see why this is important in a second. I can also drag these and change the shape a little bit to what I want. So like that. Okay. Okay, again, make sure these sizes are the same. Otherwise it's going to cause a bit of an issue for you later. Okay. Now we're going to say okay. Now bear in mind the size we had was 80, correct? So now we're going to select this datum plane. We're going to add a datum plane, which we're going to go 40. Okay. Let's say okay. As you can see, that is now in the center of our two sketches, correct? Or our two lines. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say sketch. Okay, again we need to add references on those points. So all I'm going to do is turn this slightly. Say sketch references on those points there. I'm going to put a point there. Put a point there. Okay. Close. Center line. Okay. Go back to my sketch view. Okay. So now what we're going to do here is we are going to take our arc. We're going to click there. We're going to click there, and we are going to make our shape. Okay, depending on how you want it, obviously this is, you select that shape. Okay, then what we're going to do is, with this selected, all we're going to do is say mirror. We're going to select center line first, then we're going to say select mirror center line, and there it is. Okay, so now in saying that, okay, bear in mind with me this is now, these are all your outside shapes of your variable sweep. Yeah, I'll show you now. This is the difference between a variable sweep and a swept blend, is the multiple different shapes that you can have. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go insert. We are going to say variable section sweep. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go solid there firstly before we do anything. Then we're going to go references. Then we're going to select item. We're going to select the bottom line. So our trajectory, our original trajectory that we chose, but not the curved line, the straight line that we had. Okay, we're going to select that one. Then as you can see here, normal trajectory, that's right. Horizontal vertical control, automatic, that's right. Okay, so now what I need to do next is, because I have my direction now, okay, so the next step is you need to add the rest of these lines. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say details. We are going to say add. Now again, this is very important. You need to select the lines as it would curve, for instance, otherwise it's going to give you an error. So if you're going to go from this one to this one, your next one would have to be that one and then that one, not this one, this one, this one, and then that one. It's not going to work. Okay, so we're going to add, then we're going to select this one. Okay, end. As you see there, it says chain 1. There it now is also added chain 1, which is right. We're then going to say again add. Okay, now we're going to select this top one. Okay, as you see there, again it adds it here, chain 2. Then we're going to go again, last time we're going to say add, and we're going to select the last one. Okay, now you've got all your lines selected. We're going to say okay. Okay, now again, the next step of this is going to be your sketch feature. So you're going to say sketch. Okay, now we're going to select our spline again as we did earlier. Select that point, select the second point. I'm just going to turn this slightly so that I can see exactly where my point is, because there's so many points there. Then I'm going to select that point, that point, that point. Okay, back to sketch view. Okay, as you see, there's an ellipse, but it works according to these sizes that we've put into the system here. Okay, so now that we're happy with all those connections, all we're going to say is okay. And if we zoom out and rotate this, you will see our knife handle, as you can see. Okay, now from here, very simple, we say okay, and there is your knife handle. Okay, or handle for a pot, or whichever, doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a knife, but there's your variable sweep. So this is quite a nice feature because you can make any shape literally that you can think of, and you can also change a few things. So if you go here and you edit definition, you can also hollow this. So as you can see, 5 mil, same like our extrude, same thing. Say okay, and now it's hollow like an Easter egg. So this is a very cool feature. Again, edit definition, and we can change our sketches. You can change the selection. So if you want to add new sketches or remove sketches, you can simply remove this. So if I now want to remove one of these, all I have to go is details, select which one I want, and just click remove. Okay. And then if I want to add a different one, I say add, and I just select again and say okay. Very simple. This is quite a nice feature. Yeah, again, like I say, so many things you can do with this. Okay, so if I want to hide these sketches, all I have to do is click on my sketch, right click, say hide. In my sketch, right click, say hide, and as you can see, there is my nice neat handle. Okay, so say I want to change my humps a little bit. All I do is I go sketch, right click, edit definition. I can go up a little bit there, I can go up a little bit there, and I can say okay. So it's always editable. Again, if I want this a solid again, edit definition, take away my thin wall, and I say okay. Now it is a solid feature. Okay, so that's going to be our variable sweep difference between our variable sweep and our swept blend. So swept blend, different profiles gelling into each other. Variable sweep, complete different profiles, different shapes leading throughout the model. So very useful, very nice tool. Hopefully you guys will be able to use it. Again, like I say, this is very much for odd shapes, odd things, but it is useful and it is good to know. So you guys can also shell this feature if you only want to open one side. So again, like our normal shell feature, we're going to go shell, and all we're going to do is select our one side and give it a thickness and say okay. Now open on this side but not on this side. As you can see there, it's closed on this side but open this side. That is just an extra option, very useful also. So if you don't want to hollow the whole thing, meaning leave it open at the back, you can just shell feature like that. You can also, you can do everything to this you do to all your other models. You can extrude, you can cut, you can round, all those things. So I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one, guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a pulley, V-belt pulley in under 10 minutes, depending on the sizes you have. And this is more or less what it's going to look like when it's done. So stick around, watch till the end. There's a nice little feature at the end again, and enjoy. Welding table, um, very simple. It's got a shelf, it's got holes for your welding brackets. It's quite nice. Any welder fabricator will tell you that this is one of the most helpful things to have in your workshop, to jig up and bolt down any parts that you're welding so that they don't bend and don't deform. Yeah, so enjoy, guys. Voila. So you don't have to draw each one. You can just pattern or mirror them. Very simple, very easy.